Hello and welcome to Humzabaan, your go-to destination for learning Urdu. We also have a section called Rozmarra, which is about Rozmarra is basically um, everyday or day-to-day or things that happen. So we will take professions, we'll take clothing, we will take food, we'll take fruits and vegetables, we'll take hobbies, and cover this as part of this. Again, the same approach, flashcard with the word, with the text, with the meaning, with pronunciation, with linkage to dictionary for add-on learning, right? So that's how we structure here on our app. So for example, profession, you can say a doctor, what do we call him? Or ustad, who is actually a teacher, or a vakil, who is a lawyer. So very neatly, we would explain it in the app. Again, you can go through in detail, play with it, take the quiz. Each section and subsection would have a quiz attached to it, which again enhances your learning, makes you a leader on a leaderboard, gives points, it helps you with certifications within the, and more importantly, helps you or opens up the Urdu language fully. While you have understood the shapes and the sounds and the symbols, you also now started the vocabulary, the meaning, and you really expand in a beautiful way, right? And you can look at things like fruits or vegetables or food and a roti. We all know, but how do we write it? How do we read it? And this important thing is that it gives you a full understanding of the combination of letters, their shapes, their position in the beginning, position in the end, and more importantly, help you kind of decipher the whole meanings. Then we have got hobbies and all you can capture. So what is painting, right? For example, masawari, or you have musiqi, which is music. So not just the sounds of it, but also when we speak Urdu, what is the right word for this? This will also clear a lot of doubts that people may have about the which word starts with which letter. So which word start with zay versus zal versus zwad, right? Or versus zoe, or which words start with seen versus swad. So that initial confusion that you had, once you've gone through vocabulary, you will start to figuring it out very easily. You will start, if you link it back with your dictionary app, you will start learning the origin. And you know that if there are Arabic origin words and have a sir sound, they will mostly be swad. If they're Farsi origin word, then they will be mostly seen. So that sort of a thing you will be able to understand, right? So this whole section of the app really takes you to the next level and prepares you to be able to do better comprehension, better reading, better writing, which will be keep coming in our future lessons, both on the app and in the videos. So this is how we will go ahead with the Humzabaan app. Please go back to the app, start practicing, start going through the flashcards, start going through the quizzes, and keep learning and get ready to explore more and more of Urdu language.